Hi guys, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. This is one of the most expensive peas in Jamaica to buy at this time. When I say most expensive, that's exactly what I mean. Welcome to Blessings from the Garden, and if you're new here, my name is Saroya, and as usual, that's always behind the camera. And today, this is what we call Gungo peas. Today, I'll be harvesting some. As you can take a look here, these ones are dried, so these pods are dried, and you can hear the shaking. And then these ones are green. Now, how do you know when to harvest both types? All right, so how do you know when the peas are ready to be harvested? And these are called pigeon peas, or in Jamaica we call them gungo peas. Now you have the green ones. These are the green ones, as I said before, and these are the ones that are dried. As you can hear the shaking, these are very dry. All right, so how do you know when they are ready to be harvested? So let's take a look at the green pods. Now, as you can see, each pea grain in the pod is well full, so there's no space in the pod. This is an indication for you to know when the green beans or peas can be harvested. For the dry ones, once you hear the shaking sound like this, they are well dried, they are ready to be harvested. Now, both of them can be eaten, whether it's green or they're dried, they are both edible at this stage. All right, so they are good in stews, soups, Sunday gungo rice and peas, the works. So I'm going to harvest a few of them because not all of them are ready, and then put them on storage. So to come and take a closer look, because I'm going to harvest one or two pods for you to see, and I'm going to open them. So this is the green one, and the green ones are a bit harder to open. And you see the peas look just exactly like what you guys have. The what's the bean again? Not sure. I don't not remember the bean name now. I just had it before in my thoughts. Green beans, not green beans. Sugar snap peas. Right? This is how they are looking when they are green. Green pods. The dry pods. Taking this one. Let's see what's inside. And because they are dried, they are not as fluffy because they are dried, right? And these are and this is what you replant to get a whole new set of plants, right? The dried bean. You plant to get back another set of gungo plant or pigeon pea plant. All right, here we go again. These are the green ones, and as you can see, they are fatter, and the dried ones are about half times the size of the green ones. All right. So these are the two stages in which we can consume the pigeon peas or the gungo peas. All right, let me show you what the blossoms look like. All right, let me show you in stages. So we have the blossoms, and then we have the pea pod. This is how small they will look when the blossoms fall off. And then let me show you the growth in stages. So the blossom, the small pea pod, and they will get bigger in size. All right, so on this one, we also have some blossoms and the small pea pods. So they will get bigger in size, just like this, and they get bigger and bigger and bigger until they reach this size. They are green, and the pods are being filled. And then the last stage, when they are dry. All right, so I'm going to harvest quite a few of them now. Not sure if I have time to harvest all of them, but I do them in rounds. So these are the green ones. All right, so I have two bags here, one for the dry pods, one for the green pods, and some other day I will shell both and then put them on storage. All right, so this batch contains both dry and green. So when you feed them and you hear the shaking, you know that's the dry pods. And then this one is very green.
Hi guys, if you don't remember my family, then I'll introduce you. So this is my mother. This is my mommy. Mommy, tell them their name.
Soraya.
And this is my auntie, the camera lady. Tell them your name.
I'm Latoya.
And this is me. If you don't remember my name is Joanna Joyce Sarah Sinclair. You could shorten it as Jojo Sinclair or Joanna Joy or Joanna or Joy. Ready? Why so hairy, mommy?
You just speak, that's full. Good job. Full.
But why are the black bees something going on these?
Oh, they're pollinate. They're taking
Why?
the pollen. Put the dry ones
I
in this
hear
one.
so.
You hear something in there?
Yeah.
Put them in this one.
Take out all the dry ones, these?
Those are dry. Let me test it. Yeah. So, some of them not dry. These ones are the dry ones.
So I'll test them.
Yeah. You pick the dry ones. And once you start shaking, like, you can pull them, okay?
I'll put these
So
here.
these are the dry ones.
Anyone?
No, I'll do the green ones. You do the dry ones.
Okay. What?
Shaking, right?
Wait, no.
Green ones go in here. Start shaking all these.
Shake.
And put all those ones up. Put them in here. Put it down. Go around.
Okay, all of them.
Put it. Put it. Not the entire tree.
Awesome.
Alright guys, so we are now through harvesting the pods. These are the green ones and these are the dried ones. So they do take some time to harvest, so we'll do it some other time. But these are pretty expensive in the markets and in the supermarkets. So I have about $4,000 worth of Gungo peas in my hands. A friend told me that somebody picked up a small bag for almost $2,000. So you can just imagine growing your own free food, right? And this is so cost effective, growing your own food. So we're going to shell them and put up a short of what's the quantity that we got. We're going to shell them and put up a short on the quantity of both peas after we harvested everything that can be harvested, okay? Thank you for watching today's video. We do hope that you enjoy it, and do share, like, and comment. And if you're watching and not yet subscribed, please consider doing that. All right, so thank you so much for your support. Have a good day. Bye-bye. And remember, start that garden one content at a time. Bye-bye.